fan ka na, magiging parte na ako ng Encantadia. Ay,
nag-usap ba kayo ng complimentary wife?
Yes. First time na we wanted to match.
Wow, grabe yung setup nyo. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I'm happy to be.
Marian Rivera. And
I love when you have a story.
Idol ko yun.
Oh my gosh, this is Zuhair Murat!
Yes, wow!
Zuhair na tayo. This is Zuhair Murat.
Josh, Kira, standby.
Exactly.
And
how many butterflies are there?
I have no idea.
Looking good, Charlie.
Yes. Para
Stop lang, then. Nice. Alright, good.
sorry, sabay
You may
tayo.
now fly away with your
Okay, so let's introduce him.
No. It's so super beautiful. First of all, the makeup and the hair complements the entire look together. Right?
How does it feel tayo first time mo sa GMA Gala?
Wow, grabe yung setup nyo. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I'm happy to be here talaga. Grabe.
Who chose that color for you?
My stylist, Perry Tabora, and John Losa, my designer. Grabe. We were thinking na we wanted something different for this event, so we chose brown. Ganda.
Sinong gusto mo bang ma-meet tonight or makabonding sa gala?
For sure, I wanna meet si Kuya Dennis Trillo.
Bakit?
Grabe, sobrang idol ko po talaga siya umacting. So, I've been looking up to him for years.
So your date tonight is easy?
I wouldn't say my date, pero syempre kasama ko po siya for tonight. Yes.
Thanks, Ralph.
Thank you so much.
Wow!
Subi, yan. Isang pose na. One more, wait lang. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go! Nice. Show your gown. Nice. Alright.
This is your pang-ilan na GMA Gala? Pang-ilan mo ng GMA Gala to shoot? Ano yung look forward mo tonight?
Just to rekindle some relationships with my fellow Kapuso, and of course, my Showtime family, nandito sila. So sana makita ko sila lahat.
Aside from your TDH, and aside from your fellow housemates, sinong gusto mo makabanding tonight?
Makabonding, it's really my Showtime family. Sila may bye. Sana makabonding guys.
Sino po pinamang gown mo pala?
This is Fully Beaded by Rian Fernandez. Yeah, so it was chosen by my Sir family and me.
Congrats, Ruby. Looking pretty. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you inside. Let's enjoy the night.
Thank you so much. I love these all right here. Down to the jewelry and the bag and the shoes. Yes. Oh, thank you, babe.
Next is Miss Yasmin Purdy.
Hello.
Hey, Yas. How are you, Yas? I'm very good. I always look forward to seeing Yas because we have these one-on-ones together that we love and connect with each other.
Yes.
Are you ready to party tonight, Iman?
I'm so ready. Actually, I wanted to flaunt my gown because my gown is made by JC Buendia, and this is an upcycle. This gown, the Judgment Night of
How does it feel being the first time sa GMA Gala?
I love it. It's an honor to be here. It's my first time here in the GMA Gala.
my first time also meeting a lot of people who I really look up to. So it's an amazing experience, and hopefully next year we'll be invited again.
Aside from your housemates, sino pa yung gusto mong ma-meet tonight?
Oh my God.
Sino pong gusto mo meet? Kanina, na-meet ko si Miss Marian Rivera. And
I love when you have a story
idol ko yun.
behind the look talaga.
Wala, mabilisan lang. Ano inspiration ng damit mo for the red carpet tonight? Story as well.
Thank you, Yas.
Be comfortable, and
See you later.
I wanted an all-white crop suit.
The earrings also.
Thank you, Rick.
Hello,
And River Joseph also. Hey, River.
And of course,
So beautiful.
River Joseph.
Wow.
So,
Oh, thank you, babe.
Hello, guys. So,
I love
so
it.
tell us about your look, your inspiration, about your look
no
tonight.
problem.
River.
Aziver and Rap.
One at a time.
Okay, so my
Hello! Ano yung inspiration ng outfit natin tonight?
Amihan. Yes, amihan ng atake ko ngayon. Kabahan ka na ha, magkakapate na ako ng
So
Encantadia.
elegant.
Ay,
I love the pleats on it.
grabe ka ha. Yes, kami yung mga brilyante ng hangin, tubig at asin. Tubig, ay, apoy.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Apoy.
and River.
Question for you especially, how does it feel first time sa Jimmy Gala? Tama ba?
So my second time.
Second time? Oh, okay.
It's more fun now because I have a date. Kasi before I went solo. So
So, mas masaya na ngayon, may date na. Mika, kumusta naman? What are you looking forward to tonight?
It's my first time.
Oh, talaga? Ikaw pa yung first time na ikaw yung tapos. So, anong nilook forward mo tonight?
Siyempre, mga conversations with other
Nag-usap ba kayo na complimentary white?
first time na we wanted to match.
Aside from each other and aside from your fellow ex-housemates, sino pa yung look forward yung makabond tonight?
Si Ate Hort. Ate Hort, Ate Ann.
Marian.
Ate Ann.
Thanks, guys! Ilang weeks yan ginawa, girl?
Hindi ko po alam, pero 2 weeks daw po. Yes, Minagic ni the one and only Sir Manny Halasan.
Pero concept mo din to, sinabi mo din
Yes
sa
po.
kanya.
Gusto mo yung mga swirling, ganyan.
Kumusta first time sa Jimmy Gala?
Super happy po, super excited po, at looking forward na ma-meet yung mga ibang Jemmy artists.
Sino specifically? May specific about wishlist?
Si Jay! Marami sila.
Sino?
Secret!
Actually kasi dapat mas simple dapat
kasi yung gala proposal, grabe na eh. Really
Meron pa
spread all
proposal
over.
sa gala?
Gala, meron. It was like an
prom lang,
intimate
diba?
evening.
Yes.
Okay,
left.
Kunin mo na.
Left.
Chong.
Miss Bea
Kunin mo yung mic.
Alonzo.